Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create your WhatsApp avatar. So this is a new thing which WhatsApp have released where you can now create WhatsApp avatars. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to go ahead and tap on Settings at the bottom right. Now from here, just below your name, you'll see avatar. So go ahead and tap on that. Now this will basically show you what avatars are and will give you the option to create your avatar. So go ahead and tap on that. Now since WhatsApp is linked with Meta, which is owned by Facebook and Instagram, so it'll basically show you the Meta logo. Go ahead and tap on Get Started. And now here you can go ahead and use a camera to take a photo, or you can create one manually. So we'll go ahead and create one manually. We'll go ahead and select the skin color. Go ahead and select the hairstyle, hair color, type of body. And now your avatar has been created. So go ahead and tap on Next. And now as you can see, your avatar has been created on WhatsApp. So there you go guys, that is how to create your avatar on WhatsApp. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.